Hi, welcome back. I I'm very impressed with videos that were uploaded in social media, and I'm liking the fact that you guys are trying your best to overcome the challenges, your mindset barriers. Today's session is also little bit, or I would say, focused mostly on mindset matters, and would like to spend a little bit more time to discuss on this topic, as this is a really important topic, and this is where basically you overcome all your limiting beliefs and challenges. So let's get started. Again, I would request you to come on camera, stay present, be proactive, be responsive, and participate in the discussions. Okay, so continuing from where we left, before you ever step on a stage or speak into a mic, the real preparations begin. It is not as if you just go up the stage and just, you know, speak things that is in your mind. It sometimes is very difficult if there is no preparation. Okay, the preparation starts before you get out of the stage, which is like maybe a couple of days of practice is required to ensure that you are covering all the points. Okay, so public speaking isn't just about words or gestures, it's about a deep belief inside you, something that is something that you want to share very uh, passionately to the crowd there waiting to hear you, and therefore it requires a little bit of introspection, understanding whether whatever you need to say to your people or people who want to listen to you is thought of carefully. Okay, that's the reason it requires a little bit of preparation. Remember, at the heart of every confident speaker is a simple but powerful belief. And if you believe truly that you have a message worth sharing, that confidence will give you the kick that is needed to kind of deliver the output, right? And when you truly believe your words matter, fear starts to lose its grip. You're not here to perform or impress anybody. Please remember, you're here to serve, to inspire, and to make a difference. And if you are coming with that mentality to serve, nothing else matters, nothing else is important. You're not here to inspire, impress anybody here. It is about all about making a difference in people's life. Just keep that thought in mind. And your belief system plays a huge role. And the science behind it is that belief shapes your thoughts, and thoughts influence your emotions, and emotions drive your actions. When you believe in your message, you naturally speak with conviction, connect emotionally, and show authenticity. And authenticity is very important because people have to relate to you. They have to feel what you are saying. And of course, you will have doubts. Doubts. This is what it's natural, right? You will have these thoughts. What if I mess up? What am I going to speak about? Is this making real sense? Right? What if they judge me? All these thoughts are natural. These fears are based on just these thoughts, right? These are not facts. And there are ways to strengthen this, and I discussed that in the previous chapter. But here is again, just reiterating those points. To strengthen your speaker's mindset, you have to affirm positive messaging daily. Reconnect with your why. Why are you doing this? Why are you speaking in front of a crowd? You definitely have some message that people need to hear, and that is the most important aspect. Shift your focus from yourself to your audience. You are not important. What you are saying is important, and the audience is there to listen to what you are saying because you want to make a difference in their lives. So remember, fear is self centered, confidence is audience centered. Okay? And focus on people who need your voice, not on your own fears. So today's uh, exercise for you is that you take a moment and write down 3 reasons why your message matters. Read them before you, before every meeting for that matter, and even before any presentation or every big moment. Um, Even if you're going to an important meeting and you have these self doubts, read these affirmations again and again, and tell yourself that, hey, maybe these points matter. Okay, and remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present there. Your message has value. Your voice can change lives. So believe it, speak it, and share it. Believe in your voice. The world needs your message. Okay? So continue the good work that you're doing. Please keep posting videos on social media platforms. I will be finding time to review them. And until we meet for the next chapter, adios. Bye.